How to share folder access in Dropbox. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for dropbox.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this All Files option, and then after that, it will show us all the files that we have on our Dropbox account. So if you want to share a folder access, all you need to do is to open the file. So as an example, I'm gonna open this one, and then in here, we'll have to tap on the settings icon. And then after that, tap on the share option and then tap on the share with Dropbox option. And then in here, we'll have to tap on the settings option. After that, a pop-up menu will appear here. Tap on the folder settings. And then in here, we'll have to go on this manage access option. What we need to do is to change the settings from only the owner to folder members. By doing that, the members of the folder can access that file. After that, we'll have to tap on the save option. And then we'll just have to go back. And then in here, we'll also have to go on this anyone with this link option. And then make sure that the settings is set to can edit. After that, you can now share this folder. You can either add an email here or simply copy the link. To do that, tap on this create option. And then we'll just have to wait for a little. And then after that, tap on this copy link option. Once you have the link, you can now share it to your friends or members that you need for that folder. So that's how easy we can share folder access in Dropbox. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!